What's up, guys? It's me, Arshan, back to you guys with another video. So leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Hit the bell to see all of our videos. But
Of our crazy adventures. So
it's
guys,
gonna be crazy. But right now, this is gonna be a nature vlog. You wanna know why? Because we on a cruise. Oh shit. Ryan, I was so scared. I thought that fell on my head. I thought that fell on my head. What? I'm like, no.
nice head you got there.
Guys, I'm really not okay because like every time I walk into a room, even though they know my name, I need them to know my name even more. I need them to cherish it. Guys, if you're a true Turtle Savage, if you're truly part of the Turtle Savage Squad, you gotta wear your sunglasses like this. That way we'll know you're here. That way we'll know. That way we'll know you're part of it. We need my phone. Ryan's phone's gonna die in like 10 minutes.
But the video's probably not gonna be that long.
So,
Because Arshan thought he was gonna die because the boat literally almost tipped over right when before it even started actually.
it tipped. I almost fell.
Dude, just name the video. We almost died.
This guy. Okay, like instead of helping me, he's pushing me more. This guy's just pushing me more. I'm like, this is me. Even though I'm not Christian, I'm just like, I'm basically Lionel Messi taking a penalty. Like, that's me. I pray. I was scared, like, so much. You could see that woman with the iPhone X. I was scared so much I was dreaming I had that iPhone X. Guys, it's great. It's the iPhone X of glory. What the heck? Yo, we're on a cruise and that guy brought that poor dog. If it was my dog, honestly, on this cruise, I would probably be dead. Because Lucky would have scratched me. Like, look at what he did to my leg already.
Do you dare me to?
He bruised it.
Do you dare me to touch that guy's head?
Oh, yeah. This guy, oh, he tried touching that guy's head. Bruh, this guy was about to touch that dude's head. Oh, they're a couple. This guy was about to touch their head.
Too fast.
And guys, so it's pretty sickin'. It's pretty sickin', guys. I made a new word called sickin'. Sickin'. Yo, guys, we're gonna go and we're gonna fall. And this video is gonna be at the bottom of the ocean. So if it never posts, you know why. It was not me. It was the bad people. Movie like a drive-in movie.
I'm tired actually.
So yeah,
I'm cold.
that guy's just coming out the bathroom. Really intelligent. Really good, yeah. Guys, this isn't boring at all.
Not boring at all. Not boring at all. No.
Ow! They struggling so hard though, dog. It's like plastic. Has the pressure. Yo, if I put my feet down, it'll hit this girl's head.
What happens if I do this? What happens if I do this?
Oh. Wait, give it to me. Hey! Hi to the people down below.
iPhone X. You
I
see
feel
how
like this
like
wants people, even if we have like an hour head start, it's gonna like beat us in like 10 minutes.
what?
I swear. Michael Phelps could probably swim faster than this. Probably.
It's probably like the boring. It's probably like really boring.
If Michael Phelps had infinity endurance, he could swim faster than this.
Let's do a Q&A. Why is Arshan Arshan? Because of him. Best Q&A ever. Done.
Guys, let me just give you a hint. Advice. if you guys are ever supposed to go to some place called Vork, do not go. It was filled with poison ivies. I went for one trip. There was so much poison ivy. Like, the woman rolled in it, but then we were so scared. And then they leave you open. You go to a sand pit. My friend almost died. Like, he was in poison ivy because he never knew what it was because they don't tell us, okay? And then the woman just shows up. You guys have to pay for this medicine, but I have it for free because it's my plan. We get it, you have plans. And then she's like, my dad's a millionaire, but he doesn't know how to use a microwave. And guess what his job was? Apparently, he owned Wonderland and he made the CN Tower. And she said he's a multi-billionaire. Like, that's how you know they're lying. Like, bruh, no, that's not okay. Just don't go to Vork. And Vork is lazy. Just sit on a chair and look at dead animals. It's
Pretty much,
creepy.
yeah.
Pretty creepy.
We just
Guys, did you know? He has a nose. Did you know? I have a finger. A finger.
Good for you. Okay.
A beautiful finger. Guys, we're just making fun of it.
I feel like the whole time that has never moved. Guys, I know on the video, the water looks beautiful, but in real life, it's green.
Guys, the further you look, the bluer it is. The closer you look, the swampier it is.
Wait, what did I say?
Guys, this is Moisty Mire. This is the Moisty Mire of the ocean. Yo, honestly, those trees, they just have to be a bit darker and a bit bigger, and this would be the Moisty Mire of the ocean.
You know what they should be?
Well, that's the Wailing Woods of the ocean, and that's the Tilted Towers of the ocean.
Yeah, I still look. Not there.
That's the Tilted Towers.
Where's Dusty? Where's Dusty? No, that's the
That's
factory.
oh yeah, factory sector.
Factories in this lake. Factories. Dusty Davis should be over there.
Oh, that barn's Risky Reels.
Huh?
That barn's Risky Reels.
Or should be Fatal?
That barn's Dusty Divot.
Huh?
Dusty Divot. Look, the barn. And then there's like a square in the middle. Guys, there's like a square. It's like a divot there.
No, the thing that's right in front of us should be.
Oh, that should be Dusty. Yeah, that's Dusty. Guys, where's Tomato Town? We need the Tomato Town. We need the noobiest spot on Earth to land. I'm just gonna give you a hint, guys. If you want to play passive, go to Tomato Town. If you want to be like Arshawn's old self who couldn't build and was garbage and his favorite spot was Tomato Town, then go there. I'm still trash, but like,
I'm better than him.
he's a mobile player, guys. Like, honestly, if you played on PS4 and he had it for as long as me, he might have been better, okay? Because he plays it way too much. Wait, Ryan, look.
Lady.
Wait, guys, look at this. There's 5 fingers. One of them went away.
How many fingers am I holding up, guys?
10.
No, how many fingers? Arshawn, I want to see if you're smart. How many fingers?
5.
3. A thumb and the pinky is not a finger. You're stupid. What? I just want to know why are you such a fat ass?
Guys, now I'm sad. Call me short too. I'm gonna beat you up, bro.
How? You're a midget. That lady is taking a camera.
Nice picture. Wait. Does anyone want to look at my hole? Anyone? This hole's open. So anyone can look at it. Please. Look at it, guys. My hand's getting tired. Look at my hole. Look at my hole. Guys, that'll be the end of the video. So yeah.
No. That's my phone.
Guys, that'll be the end. Guys, I'm just moving away from Ryan. I'm gonna get a... Yep. I'm gonna prank him one day, okay? Really soon. For what he did to me. Boy, Turtle Savage Squad out. Bye. Yo, I got a hi. Okay, I got a hi, guys. Ryan, please say bye. Ryan says bye. He doesn't want us anymore.